Test drive time up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. 69 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck, 350 under the hood, aluminum radiator. It's a built 350, by the way. You can see the aluminum heads on them. Power steering, power brakes, and it sounds like it, that's for sure. Looks like electric fans, which is great. Different style on the wheels. I think they look decent. Don't forget, go to maplemotors.com for finance and shipping, detailed pictures. We do this every single day. If you hit subscribe, I can keep doing this every single day. And of course, you know, on Mondays I update with new rides. For now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, we'll check out the interior. Place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Looking across the dash. Good shape there. Seats look pretty clean. Headliner matches. Turn the key. It starts up good. Wipers work. Turn signal. Turn it on there. Right side's not blinking. Used to be a column shift, but now it's in the floor. B&M shifter. Blowing motor. It's stiff, but does it work? Yes, blower motor does work. Good deal. Horn, did you place your bets? Man, it's stuck. It's like glued. It ain't gonna move. It's not gonna honk. We got aftermarket gauges down here too that you can check out. For now, let's hit the road, see how she runs and drives. Here we go, getting ready to take off down the road. I'll make sure y'all see everything over here. Good deal. Got a seat belt, we'll use it. We've got gas, we don't need that. Stiff shifter there. At least you know it's going to be stuck in the right gear. Won't get knocked out on accident. It's definitely stiff, be greased up. Yeah, that's neutral. And that's dry. Good deal. She kicks the tires over very easy. Here we go. Heading down the road, and man, this thing's straight as an arrow. Speedometer is definitely fast. It's showing 60 mile an hour. We're not doing 60. We're doing about 35, 40. Tight steering there. When we get into the brakes feel great. Back in the gas. This thing's definitely got some pickup. And the kick down is hooked up on it. Back in our brakes. Smooth. Sounds pretty awesome. Suspension seems alright. We're going over these bumps on the bridge like butter. Back on our brakes here. They're just smooth. We're not pulling or nothing. We feel alright. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here, go get some outside shots. We're gonna get some undercarriage shots, light everything up, and head back to the lot. I'll be right back. head on back to the lot. Like I said, shifter's stiff. Woo. She's definitely got some pep. The first gear low end kick there is good. Little squeak on the brakes now though. Sounds amazing. Back in the brakes here. Brakes feel good. Had to let out. Started ripping the tires. Suspension smooth. Looks like our gas gauge is working. All of our gauges are working. This road here's got a decent bump in the middle. Brakes feel good. Point that bump out to you right here. Fairly smooth. The back's a little stiffer than the front. Typical in a truck. Came out a little bit there. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. I know a lot of y'all haven't hit subscribe yet. I can see it shows majority of people watching haven't done that. If you can, that'd be great. That'll help me out. Picking out the flaws, coming up next. All right, let's pick out the flaws. Walking around this ride, anything I find, you'll know about it. Let's go. Coming around the front bumper, they have changed out the front chrome bumper on this one. It looks nice and clean. Coming up around the trim here, around your front end where the grill is, you got some dings. It's older, not in perfect shape. Coming down this side, lower portion first, back your midsection. Tires are in good shape. Little spots at the bottom of the door there. Bubble here in the corner. You got some scratches coming down the side there. Up and over. Back your midsection, tail lights have been replaced. Some marker lights as well. Paint job's in good shape. Little scuff there on the side. Door handle looks decent. Overspray here on the front end. Front window on this one, good shape. Seal looks good.
How you doing, sir?
Little chip here. Crack there in the back. Side window looks good. Seal. A little weak on this one. Topper on the bed. Tailgate custom. Back bumper been replaced. I was reaching up the wrong spot. Open this thing up. Coming down this side, lower portion. Chip there. Scratch here and there that's been touched up. Back your midsection. A wave there. Spot here in the corner. Back window, decent. Little spot up there on top. Glass there's got a lot of little specks in it. Mirror's been changed out, looks good. Front window and the seal looks good. Little chips up top. All right, let's check out that interior. We'll listen to that motor. Door panel on this one, decent shape. Little scuffs down here in the corner. You can see where this door's been repaired in the bottom. Cracks there in the corner. Seat looks great. Carpet, decent shape. Got some speakers down there. Little pocket here in the front. It's nice. Under the hood is super nice. Alright guys, detailed pictures, finance and shipping, maplemotors.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you later.